Hello, tree lovers. One more time. Very large triple ribbon palm going in at this fine house. We just loaded this driveway down with royal palms, planted every 20 feet for about 300 feet. Beautiful, beautiful entryway. We really wanted to dress this up for the homeowner, and that's what we've done. They love these triple ribbon palms, so they're going to end up with 6 of them. 4 of them are already in. There's one right there, another one over there, and then the one on the machine is the 5th, and we've already got the 6th back there. We love ribbon palms at the tree planters. We have them. Give us a call, and we'll get them for you. Have a great day.